Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic natural language processing. So let's get started. What is the primary advantage of FastText embeddings compared to the standard Word 2-vec model? The correct answer is option A. It can generate embeddings for out-of-vocabulary (OV) words by using Subword information. The BLEU bilingual evaluation understudy metric is primarily based on which of the following statistical measures? The correct answer is option B, precision of n-grams. In the transformer architecture, what is the computational complexity of a self-attention layer with respect to the sequence length n? The correct answer is option C, ON squared. In the BERT pre-training phase, what is the purpose of the next sentence prediction NSP task? The correct answer is option D, to understand the relationship between two sentences in a document. ELMO, embeddings from language models, generates word representations that are contextualized. How does it achieve this? The correct answer is option A, by using the internal states of a deep bidirectional LSTM trained on a large corpus. When using beam search in neural machine translation, what does the beam width parameter control? The correct answer is option B, the number of top partial hypotheses kept at each time step. What is teacher forcing in the context of training recurrent neural networks, RNNs? The correct answer is option C, using the actual ground truth output from the previous time step as input for the current time step. Which gate is present in a long short-term memory, LSTM, unit but not in a gated recurrent unit, GRU? The correct answer is option D, output gate. What is the primary motivation for using multi-head attention instead of a single attention head in Transformers? The correct answer is option A, to allow the model to jointly attend to information from different representation subspaces at different positions. How does the transformer handle the order of words in a sequence since it lacks recurrence or convolution? The correct answer is option B, by adding positional encodings to the input embeddings. Byte pair encoding, BPE, is a popular tokenization method because it The correct answer is option C, effectively balances character-level and word-level representations to handle rare words. In language modeling, what does a lower perplexity score indicate? The correct answer is option D. The model is better at predicting the sample and assigns higher probability to the actual sequence. Why are conditional random fields, CRFs, often used for named entity recognition, NER, on top of LSTM layers? The correct answer is option A. They can model the dependencies between neighboring labels, e.g., IPR cannot follow BLEU. Which ROUGE metric variant is most commonly used to evaluate text summarization by measuring the longest common subsequence between the candidate and reference? The correct answer is option B, ROUGE-L. Which of the following statements correctly distinguishes GPT from BERT? The correct answer is option C. GPT is autoregressive, generative, while BERT is autoencoding, discriminative. In an encoder-decoder architecture for machine translation, What is the bottleneck problem? The correct answer is option D. The compression of the entire source sentence into a single fixed-length context vector. In BERT's masked language modeling, MLM, objective, what percentage of tokens are typically chosen to be masked or replaced? The correct answer is option A, 15%. What is the primary goal of Coreference Resolution in NLP? The correct answer is option B. To identify all expressions that refer to the same entity in a text. The GLOVE, Global Vectors, model for word embeddings is based on which mathematical concept? The correct answer is option C, factorizing the global word-word co-occurrence matrix. In dependency parsing, what does the head of a word represent? The correct answer is option D, the word that the current word is grammatically dependent upon. Layer normalization in the transformer model is typically applied. The correct answer is option A. Before or after each sublayer, attention and feed forward within a block. In the scaled dot product attention mechanism, why is the dot product of the query and key divided by the square root of the dimension, square root dk? The correct answer is option B. To prevent the dot products from growing too large in magnitude, which could lead to small gradients in the softmax. Semantic role labeling, SRL, is often described as the task of answering which question? The correct answer is option C. Who did what to whom, where, and when? How does abstractive summarization differ from extractive summarization? The correct answer is option D. It generates new phrases and sentences that may not appear in the original text. In the context of self-attention, what are the three vectors derived from each input embedding? The correct answer is option A, query, key, and value. Which tokenization algorithm is specifically associated with the BERT model? The correct answer is option B, word piece. In an LSTM, which gate is responsible for deciding which information from the cell state should be discarded? The correct answer is option C, forget gate. The BERT base architecture consists of how many transformer blocks layers? The correct answer is option D, 12. What does zero-shot learning refer to in the context of large language models? The correct answer is option A. The ability of a model to perform a task without having seen any specific training examples for that task. The Meteor metric was designed to improve upon BLEU by incorporating which of the following? The correct answer is option B, synonym matching and stemming. Thank you for watching.